Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to ProveSource. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in ProveSource you can transfer data via webhook, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key to get it back to your personal Agile CRM account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select ProveSource as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage, you need to create a ProveSource virtual account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you can name it. In this window, you must specify the URL to send the data. In order to get it, go to the ProveSource personal account. Then create a new notification. Select Stream. Now choose a webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. We return to the ProveSource system and complete the configuration. Make sure new notification is enabled. And back to the ApiX-Drive system. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to select the type of sending. Post JSON. Next, you need to write the name of the variable and the values that will correspond to them. In the value field, select a variable from Agile CRM that contains the name. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ProveSource via webhook for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. After successful sending, go to ProveSource and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of ProveSource data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.